Click subscribe for update video every day.
When you think of high-end tablets, your mind probably jumps to the iPad first. Most XA0 target the low end, with generic, plastic-backed slates for $100 to $200. Those dreaming of a powerful Android with a premium design were left with shockingly few options. Up until now, Dell's attractive Venue 8 7000 series tablet all but matches the power of the Nexus 9. With the sharp looks of an iPad mini, the new Venue also showcases Intel's RealSense depth measuring camera software and a Zippy Atom processor. The end result is a device that can easily lay claim to the title of Best Android Tablet, and even challenges the iPad mini. Typically, Android tablets look as cheap as they feel, but that's definitely not the case with the Dell Venue 8 7840. It's hands down the most beautiful Android tablet I've ever held. At first glance, it looks and feels like a space gray hue because of its machined aluminum body, svelte profile, and gorgeous screen. Then you notice its incredibly thin bezels, the speaker grille, and a nice big camera in the bottom left corner. That's when you know you're looking at something different. The Venue 8 7840 measures just 6mm thin, making it the thinnest tablet around. It's even 0.1 mm thinner than a few key buttons and ports sit along the edges of the tablet, including a power button, volume rocker, micro USB, headphone jack, and micro SD card slot. To top it all off, this gorgeous tablet weighs only 306 grams. Although there's virtually no empty black space at the top of the tablet, there's a wider ledge on its bottom half, which wraps around onto the back of the device. That bottom corner isn't aluminum, and instead has the glossy look of the glass implants on the back of the. That's where Dell popped in an extra depth sensing camera. Needless to say, the Venue 8 7840 leaves a lasting impression, which isn't something most Android tablets can say. It stands out from the pack of plastic slates and delivers a truly distinctive design. The Venue 8 7840 is the first truly high-end Android tablet. Looks aren't everything, of course, but this tablet gives the iPad mini a run for its money in terms of power. 2. The Venue 8 7840's sharp 8.4-inch screen sports the kind of resolution designed